This tutorial covers the main steps of setting up your Beautyrest Black Luxury adjustable base. For detailed step-by-step instructions, please refer to the quick installation guide. To begin, clear a path to the desired setup location prior to moving the base. For safety reasons, use 2 people at all times. Place the bed base box in a desired location with the bottom of the box facing up. Remove all tape, binding straps, and packing materials, making sure not to puncture the box with any sharp objects. Remove the plastic cover and lay the base down so the bottom side is facing up. Note that the legs untwist into separate sections for custom leg height options. To install the legs, thread the washer over the screw on the leg, then screw the leg into the nutsert on the frame. Be careful not to over-tighten. Uncoil the input cord that is connected to the control box's power port and plug it into the power supply. Carefully flip the base over onto its legs. Install the mattress retainer bar by sliding each end of the bar into the retainer brackets at the foot of the base. Install the remote batteries. Plug the base into a working power source. A surge protector is recommended. To pair the remote, press and hold the pair button on the back of the remote within 10 seconds of plugging in the base. You will know the base is paired to the remote when the pair button stops flashing. Setup is now complete. Quickly test all functions are working properly before placing the mattress onto the base. For additional information, please refer to the owner's manual or call customer service at 1-888-550-3746.